Here we will write a Python program to find power when base and exponent is given by user. So in comment line, first we'll write. First we'll accept base and exponent from user. So base equal to int input enter base value. Then we'll accept exponent. So exponent equal to int input enter exponent value, and we'll declare one variable which is initialized with 1. Then we'll use while loop. So while exponent not equal to 0, so result equal to result into base, and we'll decrease exponent, and then we'll print power of a number as result, and we will execute this. I will give base value 4, exponent value 2. It will print power of a number as 16. We can use power function also. So here we will calculate result using power function. So result equal to power base comma exponent, and we'll print it. So print power of number using power function comma result, and again we will execute this. I will enter base value as 4, exponent value as 2. It will print power of number using power function as 16, and power of number is 16.